Hello everyone! I will give you some instruction to write your assignment. So, you will write about quarantine. So, when I say quarantine, that means when you have to stay home because of the virus that we have nowadays. So, coronavirus make us stay home because it's safe for us to stay home. I want you to write a 2 to 3 paragraph about quarantine. Okay, so I'll give you some hints to help you write your assignment. So what exactly you have to do? You have to write the title on top. You have to start with capital letter and end with a period. So whenever you start a sentence, you have to capitalize this sentence. So the first letter to make it capital and to end it with a period. Make sure you don't have grammar mistakes. So whenever you're done, you have to read the writing, the assignment, and make sure you don't have any grammar mistakes. Even the spelling, you have to make sure your spelling is good. And don't forget to write a conclusion. So to conclude your sentence, write a conclusion sentence that make everything clear. Now, I will give you some questions. Whenever you answer these questions, you will be able to have a full text about quarantine. So when I say, how do you start your day? You have to tell me, when do you wake up? What do you do? Do you eat breakfast? Who can help you? Does anyone wake you up, or are you wake up by yourself? Number 2 is, what time do you start studying? So because of the quarantine, we have to study at home. We're not going to school anymore. So what time do you start studying? Do you start studying in the morning, the first when you wake up, or afternoon, or after dinner? So you have to tell me, what time do you start studying? Number 3, how are you feeling staying at home during quarantine? So you have to tell me if you are feeling happy, or you're a bit not feeling good about staying at home. You have to tell me your feeling. Just express yourself and be creative. Number 4, who are the people you're missing most? For example, I'm missing my colleague. I'm missing the other teachers in the school. So who are the people you are missing most? Some of you, you may miss your friends at school, or maybe your grandma and grandpa when you used to visit. Now we cannot visit anyone. So I want you to tell me about the people you're missing most. Number 5 is to give some advice to people who are not staying at home. So some people, they're not staying at home because they're careless maybe, or maybe they don't like staying at home, but this is dangerous, right? So these 5 questions will help you to write a full text about quarantine. So don't forget that you should write 2 to 3 paragraphs, and don't forget to send it to me, to take a picture of it and send it to me for Class Dojo. Okay, this is all for today. Bye-bye now.